Welcome to Truehost Academy, your go-to source for all things digital marketing. Today, we're answering a question that many of you have asked. Does email marketing still work in the digital age? Let's find out. Email marketing has been around for a long time, and it's been a key way for businesses to reach their customers. But with so many new tools and strategies like social media, mobile apps, and other online methods, you might wonder if email marketing is still relevant in 2024. Spoiler alert, it is. First, let's look at some compelling statistics. Did you know that over 361 billion emails are sent daily, and by 2025, this number is expected to rise to 376 billion? That's a lot of emails. More importantly, for every $1 spent on email marketing, businesses can expect an average return of $42. Some estimates even suggest returns as high as $56 for every dollar spent. So why is email marketing still so powerful? Let's break it down. When we compare email marketing to other channels like social media, SEO, and PPC, email consistently shows superior performance. Emails have higher open and conversion rates than social media posts. Unlike SEO, which takes time to show results, email campaigns can drive traffic immediately. And compared to PPC, email marketing is more cost-effective and can nurture leads over time, leading to long-term relationships. What makes email marketing so effective? One major factor is direct communication. Emails land directly in subscribers' inboxes, ensuring your message is seen. This direct line of communication allows you to deliver targeted and personalized content, build strong relationships, and drive immediate action. Personalization is key. By segmenting your email list and tailoring your messages, you ensure subscribers receive content that's relevant to them. This not only boosts engagement, but also builds trust and loyalty. Another benefit is cost effectiveness. Email marketing doesn't require printing or postage costs. Plus, automation capabilities mean you can schedule campaigns in advance, saving time and resources. And let's not forget scalability. You can easily reach larger audiences without significant additional costs. There are different types of email marketing that work well. Promotional emails drive sales and engagement with special offers. Newsletters build relationships and keep subscribers informed. Re-engagement emails win back inactive subscribers, and drip campaigns nurture leads over time. But email marketing isn't without its challenges. Deliverability issues and subscriber fatigue can affect your campaigns. That's why it's essential to optimize your emails to avoid spam filters and keep your content engaging to prevent subscribers from becoming overwhelmed. To succeed in email marketing, follow best practices like segmentation and personalization. Use compelling subject lines to increase open rates and include clear calls to action to guide recipients. Regular testing and optimization are crucial for continuous improvement. Looking ahead, emerging trends like automation, AI, and email marketing and interactive emails will shape the future. Integrating email marketing with other channels can create a cohesive brand experience and enhance your overall marketing strategy. So does email marketing still work in the digital age? Absolutely! It's a powerful tool for building relationships, driving engagement, and achieving sustainable growth. Thanks for watching Truehost Academy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on digital marketing. See you next time.